Hey, how's it going? It's Orit here. In today's video, I want to share with you a brand new course that we just released in our course library. And it has to do with learning how to rank your YouTube videos higher in the search engines using a tool called Tubebuddy. If you want to jump ahead and just check it out, I will put the link in the description below. Keep in mind, it's not going to be $99 because we love to offer our YouTube viewers advantages and benefits, so it will be at a discounted price, but you can click on that link and take a look, preview some of the lectures, and see if it's for you. If you're struggling to get YouTube views on your video, if you're putting out all of this content and not seeing some results in terms of getting people to watch your video, then this course will be super valuable for you. We are full-time YouTubers and YouTube mentors. We do private one-on-one coaching, and 90% of the traffic that comes to our YouTube channel is organic, is just basically from people finding our videos in the search engines of Google and YouTube. Now, what would that value be to you if you could rank your videos on YouTube? And as our knowledge grows on this topic, we will be updating this course to reflect that. Now, this course is the exact simplified steps on how to optimize every single one of your YouTube videos. It is what our clients pay premium one-on-one private services for, to learn how we rank our own videos on the Essetino channel. So let me show you some examples of what I mean. So right here, you can see when you're searching for cost of selling on Etsy, those first couple of videos are ours on Google, on the first page of Google. And same with how to put ads on your YouTube videos. I just grabbed I just typed in certain topics that we have created tutorials for, and just to see where we rank, and took screenshots of them for you so you can see. These two ones, top 2 videos for YouTube channel earnings, a 3-word phrase. This is again, first page of Google. You can see here that, I mean, it's consistent. It might not work for every single one of your videos, because there's just so many different variables involved, like what you're actually talking about, the content, how competitive your industry is. But you're stacking this up. If you know how to do your keyword research properly, how to title your videos, how to come up with the right tags, how to do the description, then you are constantly stacking your wins by releasing every single video that is optimized into the universe and having that work for you by people finding it. And that's the whole thing here, is that each one of those videos is like a little salesperson. It's like a little arm out into the internet cyberspace to bring someone back into your world. And that is so, so valuable. I mean, just think of how much SEO experts will charge their clients to get their websites ranked on the first page of Google. It's an arm and a leg if you haven't checked. So with this course, what I wanted to do is just really break it down into super simple steps and teach you my method for how we optimize every single one of our videos on the channel. And this is really what has helped us grow our channel to where it is today, because over 90% of the traffic that comes to our channel is just all organic. We rarely do paid ads. And if, by the way, you want to check out this course, I will put a link in the description below. It will not be this price. It will be a discounted link, which you can, of course, we love to give our YouTube viewers that benefit and advantage. So definitely check it out in the description below. And you can preview some of the lectures as well. So here are some things that you'll learn: how to do keyword research with Tubebuddy. And it just makes so many things a lot easier when it comes to keyword research. It spits out a score that basically tells you, yes, your channel is good to rank for this keyword, or no. There's a score between 0 to 100, typically a score over 50, I like to go for over 65 is good. And Tubebuddy, if you don't know, just makes life so much easier in terms of figuring out what is the right phrase that your video can rank for. It will tell you if your channel is competitive enough to rank for that phrase or not, instead of trying to guess whether or not there's too much competition for it and demand for it. Tubebuddy will just let you know visually if it works or not. So that is why, Tubebuddy makes it so simple, and we love Tubebuddy. We've used it for years. We'll teach you how to come up with an effective title that's optimized but also captures attention. We'll look at tags, video description, and it's laid out basically into 20 lectures. So you'll see here, we talk about Tubebuddy if you're not familiar with Tubebuddy and don't already have it. Then we'll look at YouTube SEO foundations. You'll get an overview, how to find the main keyword phrase, coming up with the title, coming up with the tags, all of this kind of stuff. You can see I already put an update video in here. We'll go through examples. So I'm sharing my screen with you, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing from start to finish in terms of how I'm optimizing a video. And going from, we have this video file, what do we do with it? Figuring out what the title should be, description, tags, all that kind of stuff, to uploading it. And this is a gem, because I find that the learning, especially with our one-on-one coaching clients, I find that it's easier to learn more by seeing different examples, because every single case is different, because every single video that you create is on a different topic. So you never know what is going to come out in terms of how to find that really good main keyword phrase to rank your video for. And again, I explained all of this in the course, so it'll make more sense. But I just wanted to show this to you, and we are offering a discount on this course right now because we're really trying to, we just released it and we want to get more lovely reviews. And when you enroll in this course, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the back end. This course is being offered on Udemy, and it will also be offered in our Creative Business Academy, which we're working on right now. So you can go through these different sections of the course and then, click into each video. All right, so let's talk about how to make the most out of this course. And then you also have a Q&A section here to ask questions. If you ever get stuck or you're confused on a certain topic, just go right in here and ask a question, and we'll be answering questions from within this course as well. So what we've also included is this YouTube SEO checklist, which is basically a PDF that you can download from within the course, and it's the exact checklist that you need to follow that summarizes everything we talked about in the course, that you can go take and apply to every single video. So it'll go, step 1, have you done this? Check. Step 2, have you done this? Check. And that way it ensures that you're following every single step in correctly optimizing your video, so that when you release it, you'll hopefully get some more views and eyes on the valuable content that you're putting out there. So guys, make sure you check that out. Again, the link is in the description below. This isn't a rank your videos fast and quick kind of course. It's a long-term process. It's cumulative. The results are cumulative, because once you put this into play with optimizing each one of your videos, you'll slowly start to see an increase in the exposure of your channel. It is my goal for you to take an intimidating and seemingly complicated topic like YouTube SEO and completely simplify it so that it just all makes sense and it's straightforward. And that is what I have done here in this course. This course will teach you how to do proper keyword research so you can start to work on organic growth for your YouTube channel. And anyone can do this, guys. You don't need any prior knowledge. All levels are welcome. This is explained in an easy to understand way so that you can actually apply some of these YouTube SEO strategies right after you've taken the course. So head on down to the description, click on that link and check out the course. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys on the inside. Bye for now.